How are you? Thanks for logging in. As I said, I wanted to share a secret with all of you. Right from when I was a kid, I always wanted to become an artist. So I decided I've played a lot of cricket and it's time for me to take up what I really wanted to become. So I started getting into painting, and there are a few paintings that I've made for myself, and I think I'm ready for it. I want it to be my career, and I've started preparing for my first art exhibition, which is still some time, but I would like to share some of my paintings that I've made with all of you. I hope you like it. This was my first painting that I made. It's a beautiful landscape. It's something that always attracted me, nature. Let me just keep it. Uh, this is my second one. It's a futuristic aeroplane that I have made. It can be a form of transport, in the coming years, but more like 2050 style. But now it's time to show my favorite one. I spent a lot of time on this. It's a self-portrait that I've made of myself, and I think it's pretty damn good. So I hope you guys like it. As I said, the art exhibition, it's still some time for it to happen. But I would request the art community to go through all the paintings that I have made. And if there's any advice that they would like to give, I'm very open to it, because I want to take it very seriously. And I would just request all of you to, come to the art exhibition. And at the same time, I would like to thank all of you for logging in today and going through the video. So thanks a lot.